Turn up the volume and enjoy. You're about to witness a breathtaking display of power and precision. Feel the excitement as these colossal machines conquer nature. This is a video you can't miss. Utilizing the CAT 345BL for tree removal optimizes both power and efficiency. Its 345 horsepower engine and robust hydraulics allow for the swift removal of large trees, while the extended reach and powerful boom ensure precise felling in confined areas. This translates to increased productivity and minimized risk, making it a strategically sound choice for any project. Trees are unruly children and they won't listen to you, so always be careful. Behold, a homemade mini chainsaw mill. Resourceful and efficient. This design maximizes functionality while minimizing material usage. A brilliant solution for any DIY enthusiast. I'm already planning my build. Who's with me? You know what's awesome? This Halverson HWP140B firewood processor. It's super tough, built to last, and the hydraulics are so strong it makes processing firewood a breeze. Seriously, it's easy to use and turns a tough job into something really enjoyable. Think about it. Less time chopping wood, more time enjoying the fire. Maximize your land clearing efficiency with this JCB excavator. Its 20-ton lifting power translates to impressive clearing potential, up to 3 hectares per day in optimal conditions. Even with challenging terrain, you can still expect to clear a minimum of 1 hectare. This machine is a strategic investment that ensures productivity and minimizes downtime on any large-scale project. Wow, talk about an extreme work environment. Look at that snow. Those logs must be incredibly slick. It's remarkable to see the precision and skill these guys have to operate heavy machinery under such challenging conditions. This is clearly a job for highly experienced professionals. That tree doesn't stand a chance against this beast of a machine. Talk about a wood chipper on steroids. But hey, that's the circle of life, right? Out with the old, in with the new. If you notice anything unusual while cutting down a tree, it's best to immediately move to a safe area. Tree felling is dangerous. Now that's what I call a man who knows his lumber. Look at him handle that saw smooth as silk. He's got the touch, the power, and the confidence. This ain't no weekend warrior, folks. This is the real deal. This is why you back up and give the tree space, because even when you think you know what you're doing, nature has a way of smacking you upside the head to teach you a lesson. Let's talk about the Woodland Mills WG24 PTO stump grinder. This machine is a real workhorse. It's got a massive 24-inch flywheel and 34 super tough teeth that can handle any stump, big or small. And get this, it grinds a full 6 inches below ground level. That means no more tripping hazards or regrowth. If you've got a tractor with 15 to 45 horsepower, this grinder is your new best friend. This is a classic case of misplaced confidence. They're grossly underestimating the risk here. That rope could snap at any moment, and if it does, it's game over. The sheer lack of awareness is baffling. For a second there, I thought the truck was sure to flip over, but no, everything was under control. What masterful truck driving skills. A classic example of, if you're not sure what you're doing, leave it to the professionals.
Oh, crap.
This is gold. The perfect footage for my Dangerous Jobs series. The snowy backdrop, the icy road, the raw power of the truck. It's visually stunning. Time to add some epic music. You know, sometimes you need a crane that can do it all. Navigate tight spaces, handle heavy loads, and do it with precision. That's where the NOE 170-4R comes in. Picture this: 15.5 tons of lifting power packed into a compact frame, just 5.73 meters long and 2.55 meters wide. And with the Epsilon crane, you're in total control, even in the trickiest situations. Plus, those 28L-2620 PR tires? They're like having all-wheel drive for a crane. It's a real game changer for getting the job done right. This guy has impressive technique, but his luck is equally impressive. No matter how carefully you calculate, the tree ultimately decides how it will fall.
Oh yeah, Mina.
Wow, this guy's chainsaw operator skills are insane. I am not even able to cut bread with such precision. The sawmills will close down because this guy is doing such a great job. Respect to him.